Yo, here's a candle lighting tip for you guys. This is what candle lighting looks like. If you're not seeing anything moving in the egg, that means it's not fertile. Ooh, let's not drop it and make a mess. The red is just from the light. See how that's clear up? Yeah, that's not fertile. Let me see the other one. That one, you really see how clear it is. So if there's no body inside, it means the egg is not fertile. Just a regular egg. See, there's another yellow one there. So all these supermarket eggs that I got from the supermarket are not fertile. So they're just regular eating eggs. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Later.